Hey there, Tasia like Fantasia here, and I am so excited to announce a new template series that I'm working on. The new template series I'm working on is, drum roll please, the Notion for Music template series. This entire template series is going to be dedicated to solving needs specific to musicians, and I even created a separate Gumroad account just for these templates. I have so many template builds in the works that I cannot wait to share with you. But first up is the Notion for Music Practice template series launching this week. This is a refreshed version of my previous Simple Practice Journal for Musicians and Music Journey templates. The concept behind the templates is still the same, but it's cleaned up a little bit from the original versions. The other exciting news I want to share is the pricing structure for these new music template series. For each of the themed template series, I'm going to be offering a free, basic, and premium version so you can choose the option that best fits your needs and your budget. Making these templates accessible to all musicians is so important to me, which is why I decided to switch up my pricing structure on these different templates. I'm working on so many new templates, like templates for music teaching, performing artists, music history, theory, percussionists, and so much more. So, which template are you most excited for? Let me know in the comments below. And make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified when these new templates launch. I cannot wait to share all of these new templates with you, so stay tuned for more announcements coming soon. Stay creative, my friends.